Markus Körber says Deutsche Bank is the subject of a witch hunt. This German economist doesn't deny the country's largest lender has problems, but he believes they're being exaggerated.
The Brussels Commission, the Italian government, the French government, they know that if Deutsche Bank fails, Germany has a problem. To preach the virtue of stability, ECB is the greatest peril to financial stability and not Deutsche Bank. This is a fake discussion which has been systematically organized.
Mario Draghi doesn't think so. The president of the European Central Bank was in Berlin on Wednesday to tell his many critics here Deutsche Bank's woes are of its own making.
If a bank represents a systemic threat for the Eurozone, this cannot be because of low interest rates. It has to do with other reasons.
Namely, a possible fine for mis-selling mortgage-backed securities to the tune of up to $14 billion. Some believe it may struggle to pay that amount without help, something the bank itself denies. Particularly since the Brexit vote, it's often been Italian banks that have been mentioned as an Achilles heel for the Eurozone, but very rarely German ones. And while it's not entirely clear exactly how serious Deutsche's challenges are, the sector here has been saying for some time that it's coming under increasing pressure. Körber blames the ECB and is in fact suing the bank over its monetary policy. Wednesday's announcement that Germany's Commerzbank will cut thousands of jobs has added to his concerns that other Eurozone finance ministers are playing down.
Niemand hat damals daran geglaubt.
No one would have thought the collapse of medium-sized Lehman Brothers in the United States could have triggered such a catastrophic avalanche. But that should not happen again, given that we have the banking directive, the banking union, a common regulator, the single resolution mechanism, deposit guarantees set by EU rules. That means we have all measures in place on a European level to stabilise financial markets.
Is Deutsche Bank too big to fail? Some analysts here, Körber included, say it's too early to ask. Guy Henderson, CCTV, Berlin.